Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start generating leads with a Facebook group. So if you are a coach, consultant or you are doing any kind of online business, then first of all you need to have a Facebook group. Facebook group is very helpful because where you can nurture your audience, right? It's a kind of close community where you can congregate your audience in one place so that you can educate them, and also you can do kind of challenges, or you can put your offer into your Facebook group and you can sell them easily, right? So in this video we're going to talk about how to start generating leads with the Facebook group. So there are literally so many methods are there you can use to start generating leads with the Facebook group. So let me tell you first, before you when you if you don't have any Facebook group or you have already Facebook group, first you should invite the people who are already on your friend list. So you can add like 5,000 people on your, let me show you here, right? I don't have 5,000 people on my, I have 1.8k people on my friends, friend list. So what I will do, I will invite them, each and every person into my Facebook. Not each and every person, like those people I can see they are my quality leads, that so I'll invite them into my Facebook groups, right? So that's how it works here. And when you have a Facebook group, you first of the things that you need to do is to invite people who are already in your friend list, right? So you need to also grow your friend list so that you can invite people, or you can put any kind of post that let me show you here. One of my friend here, I'll open his account and I'll show you. Look here. So he is this his name is Shubham Gihani, as you can see in the profile here. So what he does, he help affiliate high ticket coaches achieve their 15,000 month in 90 days or less using a scalable organic system. So what call to action is given here? Join my group. So when someone will click here, this is just a fake call to action, and when someone will click here, they will see this link, and when they'll click on the link, they will be redirected to his group. And before joining his group, because this group is private group, as you can see here, this is a private group. So before someone join this group, they will have to answer some question, and these are called the membership question. So I'll show you where it is. So when you will go here, right? So this is, I'll show you, open my group and I will show you. So this is my group and I open the membership question here. As you can see here, welcome to the group. Please tell us, what do you sell online and what is your biggest problem you're facing right now? So when someone send the try to join my group, they will have to answer this question. They have to answer this question, they have to tell me that what business, what are they selling online, and what are the biggest problem they're facing right now. So if they're not facing any problem, they will say I'm not facing any problem. And then they have to answer another question, that I have been helping affiliate marketer to achieve their first $1,000 online. Would you like to schedule a clarity call for your growth? So whether they will answer yes or no. And the final one, that is the way that where I use to generate leads, that is the email address. So you need to have something kind of lead magnet, so that you can offer them and you can get their email address, right? No one will give you something for free, right? Even their email address also. If you give them offer them something like a free PDF guide, or for my case, I'm giving a free PDF guide, and you can give a free training. I will send you my free training or free course, a small mini course, so you can send them and you can get their email address, right? So this is the way. So when someone will try to enter your Facebook group, they will have to answer this question. So this is the one way you can do it, and I will show you another way that you can get your, when someone has entered your Facebook group but you are not putting any kind of questions, right? But I think this is the membership question is the best way to generate leads, because you are already collecting their email address from the day they are entering into your Facebook group, right? There's another way that you can do this. This is let me show you. So you can see here is my recent post that I posted in 11th May, and I'm welcoming then each and every person who have joined the group, and welcome to the community. Claim your gift. I want to grab my best ever free ebook that reveals how to hit your first 1,000 through affiliate marketing without spending a single penny on ads or chasing people. So this is my website literally, and when someone click here, they will redirect it to that YC framework guide. And when if they want this guide, then they have to enter their name and email address. So I'm generating leads from there as well. So this is the second way you can start generating leads from your Facebook group, right? So that is another way you can do it. So I hope you got that right. So even you can mention, like, I have mentioned someone, like, you can read this. So if you want someone seeking your help, then what you can do, tell them to join your free group, and then you can mention there, right? And also, like, where they have to enter their contact information, and you will start generating leads from there as well. So this is the two ways you can start generating leads. Okay. And let me show you another thing, right? I actually automate the things with the help of a software that is called Group Convert. Okay. So here I think you will not see the extension. I'm just putting my cursor here on the extension, but if I click on the extension, you won't see like there is something is showing there actually, but I know that it will be not showing to you. It will not show here because of the extension. My screen recorder will not show this. Okay, so this is actually basically extension. Let me show you this tool, how it look like. Okay, so how it actually take the data. So now you can see here in the screen Group Convert. So this is like recently someone has entered their email address. Okay, you can see my group name is some kind of like www.facebook.com groups/listline affiliate. Okay, so this is my Facebook ID. So when someone has entered their data, so with this extension, what it's doing, it is taking the person's user ID. User ID means the address of their profile and their Facebook username when they joined 8 years ago, like, and the like this question is including like what they have answered here. You can see this is question number 1, this is the answer number 1. Okay, this is the question number 2, answer number 2, question number 3, answer number 3. So that's how, when they have dated, everything is there. So this extension is helping me to do the things in automation. So when I will push the data in Google, I write push this data, what it will happen, it will when I will click here push data, then it will push the data in my autoresponder. Okay, so it will go to the Zapier. So I also use Zapier, so I will show you here how I actually use Zapier here. So let me show you how Zapier also help me in automating the things. Okay, Zapier, Zaps. Okay, so you can see here I have kind of like 3 zaps already, you can see here, right? So one is Google Sheet, that is this data is actually, I'm sorry, I made one mistake, that this data here, right, it's actually pushing to Google Sheet. It's going to my Google Sheet, and from the data from the Google Sheet is actually here, it's coming here. It's coming here. Okay, it's coming to the Zapier, and Zapier, what it's doing, it's pushing the data to my to my Sendinblue account. Okay, I hope you got that right. So let me show you, right, my Google Doc, how actually this extension work. Okay, so I will go here, member request, and you can see here some kind of this white area, right? This white area is provided by Group Convert. This is the Group Convert extension. So here you can see Group Convert is saying that like data for this group will be pushed to this Google Doc. Okay, so I will open this doc in front of you and I'll show you. Okay, so I'll copy this and I will open here. So you can see I have generated so many leads from these, right? So this is how actually work, right? So this is my personal data, please don't misuse this, I am requesting you. So this is the how actually organic marketing works, how you can start generating leads in automation. Okay, so let me make it clear what is Zapier actually. Zapier actually help you to automate your things. Okay, so let me show you what is Zapier. What is Zapier? Zapier, right? So you will get here, guys, what how Zapier helps. So Zapier empowers you to automate your work across 5,000 apps, so you can move forward. Actually, it's automate your work. A Zap is a when it trigger cause action. So there you can get the answer. What is Zapier? Zapier is a tool that helps you to automate repetitive tasks between two or more apps. So if we actually now let me tell you one thing. So when someone has sent a member request, okay, so they will enter their all the question and answer, and if I try to do the things manually, then you can imagine how long it will take. Like I'll take the data from my Facebook group and I'll put in my Google sheet, then I'll put it in my send in blue account or my email marketing tool, so that it will take a long time, right? So what you need to do, you need to some kind of automation tool, so that your lead generation process becomes easy, right? So a lot of the marketer use these kind of things. They believe in automation, they mix their system in automation. So I will show you another group. Okay, actually I learned this thing automating things from him actually. Okay, let me show his group. Okay, as you can see here, he's helping coaches and affiliate marketers to monetize their Facebook group using his powerful GCF system. So GCF means group cash flow. Group cash flow. Okay, so what call to action is given here? Join my VIP community. So when someone will click here, as I told you, right, they will come, they will see this link here, www.facebook.groups or digital tribe builders. So when they will you will click there, you will get some kind of membership question, but I am already into this group, so I am not getting any membership question. So you can see here he has 1.8k members. That is massive, right? So you can see here what kind of, first of all, he has, this is the way he is doing like structured his Facebook group. So from here also he is generating leads, right? 1.8k members. I think he has more than 1500 at least. I can assume, like he have 1500 kind of email address. I mean the leads he has, right? So you can imagine the power of a Facebook group, how you can start generating leads with having one Facebook group. So that is the power of literally. So let me show you, I have also used let me show you ClickFunnels Facebook group. Okay, we'll go ClickFunnels Facebook group, and we will. So ClickFunnels also, it's a closed group. You can see here it's a private group, and they also generate leads from their group as well, right? A lot of people enter Facebook group and they also start promoting their services and product. Like they have ClickFunnels software, so they start sending people messages through emails, and they also start selling their ClickFunnels software, right, when someone joined their group. So this is the way you can start generating leads from a Facebook group. Facebook group is really helpful. If you have one, then start generating leads. A lot of people have Facebook group, but they are not generating. Let me show you some group. Okay, they have Facebook groups, but they are not generating leads. Okay, let me show you just a affiliate marketing. I'll just search affiliate marketing. Okay, and I'll show you some group. They have already huge number of members, but they're not generating any leads. Okay, so we will go here and groups. I'll click here on the groups, and I will show you some public group. Okay, some public group. Okay, here public groups. So you will show, you can see here this group, you can join immediately. Okay, no problem, no issue. Now 192 members, they're not collecting any leads. Can you imagine, right? They're not collecting any leads. So many members they have, right? 192,000 members, right? So that is massive members. So they can start generating leads from them, and they can also start email marketing, right? So they are not doing any kind of things. And look, this group is already spamming, so never join this kind of group. And if you create your group, then never make it public group, because it will actually be spammy group. People will start spamming your group, so don't make this kind of group. Okay, make your group always private, so that you can control, right, and take the control of your group on your hand. Don't like make it any kind of like, as I will show here, like in my case, how I handle my group, all the setting I will show you here. You need to go to the group setting and admins and moderators, I guess. Group setting, yeah, permissions, especially permission. Don't give anyone permission to publish post, okay. So look here, manage membership, who can join the group, profiles and pages, who can approve member requests. Only admins and moderators. Like some people, what they do, they don't set up this like they anyone in the group, so don't make it like this, okay. So keep this setting only admins and moderators. Like who is pre-approved to join? No one is pre-approved to join, okay. So who can post? Anyone in the group. Approve all member post on, like when members is posting, you need approval, right? They need to have approval. Like before I used to I turned off this one and people were like, posting spammy posting the link, so this will actually create kind of disturbance in the group. So don't make this. Control your group, take control of your group so that you can nurture your leads, because this is your group. So because when the group will be bigger and people, if you're trying to deliver the value in the group, then you can allow them to post. Like I have allowed many people to post in my group, like you can see here. Because this guy was actually kind of putting in a value post, so that's why I've allowed him to post, right? A lot of people are there inside. Look here also, he's posting a value post, so that's why I have allowed you to post, right? So make sure to, like, people, if they are posting value post, I mean they're kind of putting content in your group, then allow them. If they're putting any kind of link, don't allow them to put the links, okay. This is actually when people are adding value in the group, this will help your group to grow and also increase growth as well. So right, that's how actually you'll start generating leads and you'll start making a good business with your Facebook groups. So if you have a Facebook group,